Hello everyone, this is Lily Chevron Ives channel. This is my first video about Biologique. Well, I decided not to do an overview because it's such a complex brand and everything, so I was going to talk about my absolutely favorite product from them. And it is called Serum Yall O2. As you can see, I am dressed to match the part anyway. So as you can see, I have this giant pimple on my nose, and you know, we all are human, and I know the best and most convincing way to be cool is not have pimples, but you know, we still human. So anyway, this product is my favorite because basically what happened is I didn't know that it was common knowledge that you only put under your eyes treatments, that you don't put it on your eyelids, but I always put everything on my eyelids, under my eyes, especially eye creams. So I used this serum and put it on my face. At the moment, because of my super strict routine, I only put it under my eyes and on my eyelids, because guess what, this serum has made my eyelashes, I guess, to die for, because since I started using it, like 2 months after using it, I get stopped in the shop and this woman comes up to me, is like, what are you using on your eyelashes? Like, are they real? I'm like, I didn't even notice. But then that day I go to the mirror and I see they genuinely are longer. And I was so happy about it because I do have dark lashes. They're not colored or anything. And I do have long lashes naturally. But as for those of you who would prefer maybe to not get extensions, or who are using products, this is like double duty because it works as a face plumper and also as an eyelash grower. No, I don't know. It worked for me, so it maybe doesn't work for anyone, but it has so many great ingredients, which unfortunately I will not get into because they are so complex and so specific, but it is a wonderful serum to use. So how did I find out about it? So I go to the Biologique Recherche Serum embassy that is in Riga, and I get a consultation there. So everything's nice. She recommends me, like, you know, the P50W lotion, which is one of the cold products from Biologique, and then some other moisturizing. Maybe you saw in my first video about Drunk Elephant that I found them not to be moisturizing enough for my dry to dehydrated skin, which at the moment is a little bit finicky and oily and dry at the same time, which is not a great combination. So I go to a procedure and she's like, you know, there's these two serums I would recommend. I'm like, so which one's more expensive? She's like, no, this one. I'm like, but what would you recommend? She's like, this one. I'm like, oh no, I'm like so over budget. This is ridiculous. What am I going to do? So I buy a small bottle, which is really, really pricey. But if you only use it on your eyes, it lasts like 3-4 months, at least for me, because I'm very, how to say, not greedy with my products, but very like realistic. I don't over use them. So I put a tiny drop, like, I don't even know how to put it in milliliter terms, but like, just like, you know, when you sew, there's like those pin needles and they have those little dots at the end, like something like that, small dot. And so I've been using this product and I have rave reviews from my side. I tried convincing my friends to use this product, but since it's on the expensive side, I only got one friend to use it, but she loved it because it really works well for her skin. And this is called a finishing serum. And what that means, it is one of the last products you put on your face before your sunscreen, because it is what protects your skin during the day. It has the, if I'm not mistaken, but correct me if I'm wrong, it's like the first products are like either serums or like liquid serums, which get absorbed quicker, and this gets absorbed more slowly, so you put it on last, so it lasts throughout the day, because putting, as many of you know, and which I will explain later, putting things on at the right order really makes a difference. So yeah, this finishing serum is amazing. It really gives you a glow. I read other people's reviews and they have the same complaint as I. It's very expensive. But they said, like, in certain cases they use it as like the serum to give them the natural glow if they're looking for that look for that day. So if you are interested in maybe extending your eyelashes natural way, or getting that natural glow on a daily basis, or maybe when you just know you shouldn't be wearing makeup, or not know you shouldn't be wearing makeup, but like, for example, you realize you don't want to wear makeup, or you just want to wear concealer, or you want to like tone down your makeup, it's totally worth the try. So yeah, super product, love it. 5 out of 5 stars, 10 out of 5 stars in my book. But yeah, so thank you for watching, and remember, this is Lily Chevron Ives channel for cosmetics, and yeah, Biologique. Thank you.